Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on real estate investing. In this video, we'll take you through the ins and outs of real estate investment, from understanding the fundamentals to exploring different strategies, benefits, risks, and tips to get started. Real estate investment basics. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties with the goal of generating income or capital appreciation. It's a tangible asset class that can offer stable cash flow, tax benefits, and the potential for long-term wealth creation. Types of real estate investments. Real estate offers a variety of investment options, including residential properties, commercial properties, industrial properties, and even raw land. Each type comes with its own set of advantages and considerations. Rental properties and passive income. Rental properties are a popular choice for generating passive income. By purchasing residential or commercial properties and renting them out to tenants, investors can enjoy a steady stream of income. Fix and flip strategy. The fix and flip strategy involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating or improving them, and then selling them for a profit. This strategy requires a good understanding of the local real estate market and renovation costs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are a way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. They are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate assets. REITs offer liquidity and diversification, as they trade on stock exchanges like stocks. Benefits of real estate investing. Visuals highlighting income, appreciation, and control. Real estate investing offers several benefits, including potential rental income, property value appreciation, tax advantages like deductions, and the ability to have some control over your investment's performance. Risks and considerations. While real estate can be lucrative, it's essential to be aware of the risks. Market fluctuations, property management challenges, interest rate changes, and unexpected expenses are some of the factors that can affect your returns. Financing real estate investments. Financing real estate investments often involves mortgages and down payments. Investors can explore various financing options, such as conventional loans, FHA loans, and hard money loans, based on their financial situation. Location and market research. The success of a real estate investment largely depends on the location. Thorough market research helps investors understand the demand, supply, pricing trends, and potential for growth in a specific area. Property management. Managing properties requires time, effort, and expertise. Investors can choose to self-manage or hire property management companies to handle tasks like tenant screening, rent collection, and property maintenance. Tax considerations. Real estate investments offer various tax advantages, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. It's crucial to consult a tax professional to maximize these benefits. Exit strategies. Investors should plan exit strategies based on their investment goals. Whether it's selling the property, passing it to heirs, or continuing to generate rental income, having a clear plan is essential. Due diligence and research. Thorough due diligence is critical before investing in any real estate property. Inspecting the property, reviewing legal documents, and understanding the local market dynamics are essential steps. Building a real estate portfolio. Building a diversified real estate portfolio involves considering different property types, locations, and strategies. Diversification can help manage risks and enhance overall portfolio stability. Conclusion. Real estate investing offers a tangible and potentially lucrative way to build wealth over time. From rental properties to REITs, understanding the nuances of the market and your investment goals is crucial for success. Outro. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the world of real estate investing. Remember, informed decisions, research, and a long-term perspective can pave the way for a successful real estate investment journey. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of finance and investing.